Today, we're going to embark on a fantastic journey into the world of shapes. Have you ever looked around and noticed how shapes are everywhere? From the sun in the sky to the buttons on your shirt, shapes are all around us. Let's dive in and discover the exciting world of shapes and where we can find them in our everyday lives.
Circle round and round you go. Square with sides that stand and show. Triangle with points so neat. Rectangle is long and sweet. Oval like an egg you see. Diamond shines so bright and free. Pentagon with 5 great sides. Hexagon, we love your vibes. Shape party, come and play. Learn your shapes in the funnest way. Dance around, shout hooray. Shapes are fun, hip hip hooray. Heart that's made of curves and lines. Star so bright it always shines. Crescent like a moonlit night.
Seeing that we have sing our shape song, let's learn more details about each shapes. Circle! It's round and doesn't have any corners. Have you seen a bicycle wheel? Or maybe a yummy pizza? Those are some examples of circles. Now let's meet the oval. It's like a squished circle. Have you ever seen an egg? That's a great example of an oval shape. Say hello to the triangle. It has 3 sides and 3 corners. Think of a slice of watermelon or a roof on a house. Those are like triangles. Next up, we have the square. It's a 4-sided shape with all sides equal in length. Look around. Do you see any windows with square panes? What about your tablet? Here comes the rectangle. It looks like a stretched out square with 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Your classroom might have rectangular desks, and books are often rectangles too. Say hello to hexagons. Hexagons have 6 sides, and they're nature's favorite shape. Look at a honeycomb, and you'll see hexagons made by busy bees. Let's uncover the octagon. Octagons are like stop signs. They have 8 sides. They might look tricky, but they're super cool shapes. Shapes are hiding all around us. Look at a clock. See the circle? And the sandwiches you eat can be cut into triangles. Keep your eyes wide open. You'll